Academy. Today I'd like to share with you our Junior Robotics course with the use of LEGO Wedo education. Our Junior Robotics course is a hands-on, project-based learning that implements science practices in the classroom with the use of LEGO robots and LEGO coding software. In this course, students are exposed to finding solutions for real-world challenges. They will explore, create, and share their discoveries as they build, program, and modify projects. As they collaborate, they deeply engage with science, engineering, technology, and coding. This is the perfect course for beginners who are new to coding and robotics, using a fun, easy, and completely creative hands-on learning. Start young, start right with Junior Robotics today, your child's first step into robotics and coding. Class conducted by EDU360 Academy.